another major storm coming this weekend. Did you guys hear that? We got this like bomb cyclone thing they're talking about. And I already have people calling me talking about this and making sure that I'm ready to dig them out again. So I just moved my truck out of the parking spot and you can see how deep this snow is and the huge ice-crusted layer on the surface. Yeah, one of our neighbors had reported seeing what appeared to be a lost dog that ran through our neighborhood down the road that way, and the homes across the street actually sit up on sort of like a really steep grade, almost like a cliff, and it drops down to a road on the other side, and the dog was running back and forth and then down through the woods this way to a busier thoroughfare in this area. So I went out looking for him, spent about 20 minutes looking, and I didn't see him. So now that I've got the truck moved, we're gonna take this opportunity to clean off my parking spot as well. So do I use the broom or do I use a snowblower? Now I just put this thing in the house garage. It's a little bit warmer in here than it is out in the uninsulated shop. And I wanted to kind of warm up the equipment a little bit so I can go over and perform a service. So I think we're gonna hook up the snowblower because that is just so much fun. The broom is awesome, but the snowblower is just, I don't know. I think the fun factor is just way higher. Let's see. See what I mean about efficiency with the blower. I could have done without that. Really? Come on, wind, go that way. Now, a lot of people have asked me, does Ventrac make a cab? Absolutely they do, and it is awesome. There's a couple reasons why I don't have one. First and foremost is I use my equipment most of the time during the warmer months, and I get into places where I need to flip the roll bar down, and you can't do that with the cab. Second thing, and it's a pretty big deal, is the weight of the cab on the machine changes the slope rating. So with the dual wheel kit, it changes the slope rating from 30 degrees to 20 degrees. And I think I'm upsetting these blue jays because I put seed out for the birds every morning, and here I am standing here preventing them from coming down here and eating. And third, I would need to have a place to keep the cab, to store it. And if you guys have seen my shop, it is packed with Ventrac attachments. I got 20 attachments in there right now, plus a trailer, and I just don't have any more room to justify how amazing it really would be to have a cab during the few snow events and the extreme cold that we get here in Southeast Pennsylvania. So that's why I don't have it. Ventrac makes it, it's super awesome, but I just don't really have a need for it. There we go. It's these swirling gusts that are getting me. That's pretty good. Now this stuff is really icy. Not bad. Now overall, that is really close to the surface. I mean, like really close. Like I'm getting traction here. That's how close that is. But you can see there's just a little bit of ice in these little recesses between the pieces of macadam here. Using the broom completely eliminates all of that and gets it like this clean right here. beautiful. Man, oh man. Look at how nice this is. Now the snowblower left a very thin film, but this doesn't just get it down to the pavement, it gets into the cracks of the pavement. You can't argue with results like that. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I've been using Ventrac for over 20 years now, 21 years this year. And I still can't say enough about the quality of the equipment and the amazing capability. It just, using this thing for over 2 decades, it still surprises me and it still impresses me. Absolutely love it. If you guys are enjoying this content, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell, and that way when I upload future content, you'll be notified and you won't miss it. I also have a premium channel and it contains a lot of extra footage. It's actually too much to list here. It contains my complete Ventrac maintenance series, and it contains a lot of additional footage that I edit out of the shorter videos. $10 a month if you own a Ventrac, the maintenance series, the additional footage, blooper reels, all of it. Absolutely awesome. Thanks so much for your support, and we'll see you guys in the next one.